everyone, it's Tammy and I just have a quick tip for you today. I am cutting paper and I'm realizing that my blade needs to be probably replaced. I don't know if you can see, but you probably can. All these little paper pulp pieces. That's no fun for anyone, is it? So we could replace the blade. It's time, but I'm going to see if I can repair it first. And so to do that is you just take it off and you kind of blow on it, make sure that all the little paper pulp that's in here is out. And then the blade sticks up right here and it is sharp, so be careful. But if you hold it, if you hold the blade, but not the blade part, but hold onto to this and then take an emery board, you can kind of sharpen the blade. You don't need to run over it very much, just in either direction. Just a few times, and then you can put your blade back, and then let's see how it cuts. Well, I'm still getting a little bit of that, but it feels so much better. Oh, far less than I was before. So here is one of my fresh cuts, and here is one of my previous cuts. So I don't know if you can see very well, but it does help. I mean, it's going to prolong the life of your blade. Maybe not forever. I mean, clearly it still needs to be replaced, but it is a whole lot better. So you can sharpen it just for a little bit, just like you would scissors or whatever. So that's your tip for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.